Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize ClickFunnels payment integrations for online courses, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize ClickFunnels payment integrations for your online courses, start by logging into your ClickFunnels account. Navigate to the dashboard. On the left side menu, click on Account Settings. Scroll down to the Payment Gateways section. Here, you will see an option to add a new payment gateway. Click on that Add Payment Gateway button. You will be presented with a list of available payment processors. Choose the payment gateway you want to integrate, such as Stripe or PayPal. Once selected, click on the Connect button. Follow the prompts to log into your payment gateway account. You may be asked to grant permissions to ClickFunnels. Confirm the authorization by following any additional on-screen instructions. After successful authorization, return to the Payment Gateways page. You should now see your integrated payment gateway listed. To set up your payment options for a specific course, navigate to the Products section. Select the course you wish to edit or create a new course. In the Product Settings, scroll down to the Pricing Plan section. Here, you can assign the authorized payment gateway to your course. Choose the desired payment method and set your pricing details. Be sure to save your changes. Test the integration by completing a dummy transaction. This ensures that everything is set up correctly. Once verified, your ClickFunnels payment integration for online courses is ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.